Yeah, so I'm putting the JH, the James Hetfield EMG Pickups in. They don't sponsor me, nothing. I just really like them. So that's what I'm putting in. And just a little note, in the instructions, it always shows a three-way toggle switch in each of these applications, instructions if you will. I didn't want a toggle switch. I wanted a 2 volumes, 2 tones, dedicated volume for the bridge, dedicated for the neck, etc., etc. No toggle switch. So I literally, virtually couldn't find any information on that. So after staring at the bus in here, the main brain of this little thing, I wired it direct myself. And it worked. So I'm very happy about that, to be able to figure it out myself. But it did take a long time. I rearranged everything. So I kind of wish there was instructions if you don't have a toggle switch. But anyway, that's the name of that one. We got it solved. Carry on. All right, here's the inside of the controls cavity. And here's what I did that's different right over here. If you can see down in there, that little green piece in there, they have a bridge, a neck, and an out. So I basically put 2 wires in the bridge and the neck, 1 in each hole obviously, pulled them out, looped them around, put both of them in the out, and now everything works right. So thankfully I was able to figure that out. And now we can put the cover plate on, get the strings all tuned up, test ride this thing, couple screws here and there on the back. Yeah, come on.